Hi guys, welcome to my channel at Easy Surveys, where we make all survey practices to be easier and educative. In this video, I want to introduce everyone to the Tersus GNSS receiver controller app, which is the nuwa app. Okay, this app works with the Tersus GNSS receivers alone, and it has a whole lot of functions. Okay, and these functions has their specific icon that it's been displayed just as you've seen on the thumbnail. All right, so in this first series on this particular Tersus GNSS app, I want to introduce us to one of the icon, which is the import icon. Okay, this is actually used to import extracted coordinates from your Excel to the GPS controller. Are we getting it now? So this is the extracted coordinate I am having here, be it you extract it from a layout plan or whatsoever source, and you want to use the GNSS receiver, the Tersus GNSS receiver, to stake it out on ground, that is in the course of setting out. All right, this video is just meant for every geomatic engineers out there. So you must have the idea about how you are to arrange your data on Excel specifically. All right, so this is how it is expected to be. Okay, you are expected to have the heading, okay, which is the column header for your data. So this is the name, which is the ID points. All right, this is the code, which is the specific coding for the ID point. All right, okay, in this PT series you may decide to edit this place to be the boundary, you may decide to edit it to be the drainage or whatsoever you have. Okay, but just note that it is expected to be name, code, then your northings values, your eastings values, then your height. It is not expected to be an empty space, so there should be something there. If you do not have anything on that particular column, you just put 000 the way it is highlighted here on this Excel sheet. Do we get that? So this is the only readable format the Tersus nuwa app can actually read. This is the major readable format. There are other formats it can read, which is the text, the notepad format, but this one is the major and the easier format for everyone. All right, so you tabulate your data like this on your Excel. You make sure you save it by going to the save icon on your Excel, and you send it to the Tersus controller. You send it to the particular folder on the Tersus controller, the way I am going to show you in the next video. So make sure it is well arranged this way and saved. Then in the next video, which is coming up now, I am going to show you on how to send it to your particular project and upload it into the Tersus nuwa app. Please, if you've watched this video to this extent, please hit on the subscribe icon. So guys, welcome back. So we have successfully sent it to the Tersus controller nuwa app. Okay, so the beauty about the controller app is that it can work on your Android device. All right, an Android device can work with the app. All right, unlike other GNSS receivers that can be only limited to their controller. All right, so this is my Android and the app is already installed on it. So I am going to go to my internal storage facility. All right, then if you have sent the extracted coordinates on your Excel, it is expected to be here. So I am going to scroll down to where it is inside my internal storage. So here it is 3 minutes ago, extracted coordinates, which I just sent to my nuwa app. Okay, so I am going to click on the three dotted point there. Then I am going to click on move to. So you click on internal storage, then you scroll down to Tersus survey. All right, here you open it, then you scroll down to projects. So here there are different projects I have created. Okay, so in my subsequent videos I am going to drop on how to create a project on the Tersus GNSS controller nuwa app. So and if you've already created a project, you are going to be having it highlighted here. All right, so in case you do not know how to create a project, there's no cause for alarm. In subsequent times I am going to drop a video on how to do just that. So this is the project I have created YouTube 1 minute ago. So I am going to click on it, then I am going to click on move here. So it has the extracted coordinate from my CSV has been sent to the project I want to work with on the Tersus nuwa app. So I'm going to open the nuwa app by going to the icon. So as you can see, this is my project YouTube. It is already highlighted there. Okay, so if your app is not yet on the project you sent your Excel coordinate to, use go to project, okay, and make sure you click on the project that you sent the data to, then click on OK. So it must be showing here at the top left corner of your nuwa app. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go to import. So here on import there are different things on it, but I am just going to go directly to the aim of this video, not to bore anyone out there. So to import the Excel coordinates, the type is point. Okay, there's actually line type, but the major one is point. You check that. Then target point, that is where you want the Excel data to be going to inside your nuwa app. Okay, so stakeout point is the major thing that is expected to be checked. So you check the stakeout point. So when you check the stakeout point, you go to data format, you click on that. So there are different formats, like I explained in the few minutes to this video, that if your format is not tallying with what you have on your Excel sheet, it is not going to be imported. It is going to be rejected. So the format we have on our Excel sheet should tally with what we are choosing here. So on our Excel sheet, we have name, code, northings, eastings, and heights. So I am just going to check that. So as you can see, you must choose the data format you have on your Excel sheet. Then the file format is default. You leave it the way it is. All right, .csv. All right, the .text is for Notepad. But what we have is okay this way. You leave it that way. Then the next thing to do is to check the column header. All right, then the file part, you click on it to navigate to where the extracted coordinate, which is in Excel format, is. So I am going to scroll down to Tersus survey. Then I'm going to go to projects. I'm going to go to YouTube. Then this is the extracted coordinate on CSV, Excel. I am going to click on it. So it has appeared. Okay, so it has been imported successfully. So the next, the stakeout point, you will go to points. All right, on your point, as you can see here, there's survey points, there's control points, there's taking points. So where we send the extracted coordinate to is the staking point. So you click on that. So as you can see, these are the Excel data we imported, well arranged, nothing's things accordingly. All right, accordingly. So you cannot choose to start your setting out on site by going to point stakeout. So in our subsequent videos, I'm going to show you different things you can do with the nuwa app, a whole lot of things. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you next time.